So I was looking for an outdoor egg chair that would be very durable and comfortable, but that also added a lot of really good appeal to my patio. And this one here is actually perfect and cozy and adds a stylish seating option for my outdoor space. It's made from weather-resistant rattan wicker, and of course it has a sturdy aluminum frame that can actually withstand any of these outdoor conditions as it's out here. It came with a UV-resistant cushion that is super comfortable and easy to clean. It will support up to 350 pounds, making it very suitable for any adult that's going to be using this chair. And the design of the chair will allow you to be able to relocate anywhere around your home or even your garden space.